Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono and you're welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about professions in English and their names in Igbo. Yes, you should also know what it means. When somebody tells you I'm a doctor, you should know what it is called in Igbo language. So in this video I am going to be expatiating that for you.
Getting sick of all the small town talking.
And number one here, I actually made my notes in case if you see me going down looking this way. I actually made my notes. Okay, do you see the reason why I have to subscribe to this channel? Because I go a very long way to satisfy you guys. I go a very long way to satisfy you guys. That is one of the reasons you have to subscribe to my channel, guys. And number one here is doctor. Doctor in Igbo is called dibia oyibo. Dibia oyibo is called dibia oyibo or dibia beke. Dibia oyibo or dibia beke. That is what doctor is called in Igbo language. And we have journalist. Journalist is onye ntakoko. Onye ntakoko. Journalist is onye ntakoko. We have teacher. Onye nkuzi. That's what I'm basically doing here. I'm teaching you guys, right? So you can call me onye nkuzi. Teacher. Onye nkuzi. Teacher. Onye nkuzi. An engineer is called engineer. Engineer. An engineer is called engineer. A nurse is called nurse. A nurse is called nurse. A farmer is called onye olubo. Onye olubo is called a farmer. A soldier is called onye aha. Onye aha. Soldier, onye aha. People that go to fight. Onye aha. A policeman is called onye uwoji. A policeman is called onye uwoji. Onye uwoji. Or a wrestler is called onye na-agba mgba or onye na-anu ogu. Onye na-agba mgba, onye na-anu ogu is called a wrestler. A boxer is called onye okpo. Onye na-akụ okpo. Onye okpo, onye na-akụ okpo. A newscaster is called onye mgbasa ozi. A newscaster is called onye mgbasa ozi. Onye mgbasa ozi is called newscaster. A trader is called onye afia. Trader, onye afia. Trader, onye afia. Business, azumafia. Business, azumafia. Business, azumafia. Businessman, onye na-azụ afia. Businessman, onye na-azụ afia. Chef, onye na-eshi nri. Chef, onye na-eshi nri. Tailor, onye na-akwa akwa. Tailor, onye na-akwa akwa. Tailor, onye na-akwa akwa. Security guard, onye nche. Security guard, onye nche. Onye nche, security guard. Photographer, onye na-ese foto. Photographer, onye na-ese foto. Barber, onye na-akpụ isi. Barber, onye na-akpụ isi. Politician, onye ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị. Politician, onye ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị. Politician, onye ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị. Writer, onye edemede. Writer, onye edemede. Carpenter, onye ọrụ osisi. Carpenter, onye ọrụ osisi. Cleaner, onye mfiche. Cleaner. Cleaner, onye mfiche. Cleaner, onye mfiche. Driver, onye olu moto. Driver, onye olu moto. Driver, onye olu moto. So guys, these are basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So let me just give you guys a recap of something. Yes, you have to learn how to speak your mother's tongue. It's very important. Do you understand? I'm not here to criticize anyone, the parentalhood, the way they talk to their children or not, but I just feel it's ideal for your daughter or your son or your children to learn their mother's tongue. Yeah, it doesn't make you not to still be the ajibo or the it doesn't make you not to still be the ajibo or the gendered girl or the gendered guy, or they lived in abroad or they're living in abroad. It doesn't take away that tag from you. Do you understand? It's how do you feel when you see people that are living in diaspora and their children are speaking their tongue, especially Yoruba, because Igbo is not very good at it. Even in Lagos, where I was staying, you will see Igbo people teaching their children English. Their children is learning English and learning Yoruba, but they don't know how to speak Igbo. Like it happens in Lagos. Like these are things happening around me. So speaking your mother's tongue doesn't make you not to be an Ajibe again. It doesn't deduct anything from you. So it's actually very cool for you to speak your tongue. And I've seen so many diasporans suffering on this. That's why I decided to open this YouTube channel. That's why I decided to open this YouTube channel and be teaching Igbo so that people can learn and also practice. These professions I mentioned here, please, I want you to put down in the comment section other professions you want me to translate in Igbo for you, and I would appreciate if you can repeat the things I said, like doctor, repeat the Igbo name, engineer, nurse, just repeat them off heart. And don't forget I said shh. And don't forget I said you should save this video in your watch letter and watch it consistently so you can perfect on it. Thank you for watching and do have a lovely day. Sorry for the noise in the background. I can't help it. My son is beside me. If he doesn't be beside me, who will? Do have a lovely day. Okay, miss you.